What niche to actually stay away from? That is what we're going to look at in today's video. Today is day 17 and we have 509 subscribers. Now obviously I'm taking these videos from day 1 to day 17 and I'm going to show you what has happened between these 17 days and how we're able to achieve those 509 subscribers and how we are able to achieve all the watch hours that we've gotten. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, I suggest you give it a watch. So let's get right into the video. Now the niche that we selected for this example video was the health niche, and I'm going to be talking about in today's videos of the niches that we actually should not actually go for and the reason why we shouldn't go for those niches. Now the health niche, the reason why I selected this particular niche is because there's a lot of engagement that's on this particular niche. Now if you see the video that came one day ago, we have 27 views. Now the video that came 15 days ago, we have 15 views. 3 days ago, 33 views. And the video that actually came 18 hours ago, we have actually 8 views on it. Now guys, we have a total of 27 videos that have been published on this channel, and with that we have 509 subscribers. We actually need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. Now if I show you the videos that we have, and I'm going to put the link of this particular channel in the description below so you can also go and check the video and the channels out yourself. Now the latest ones that are available over here, the popular ones are available. If you click on popular, we have 31,000 views, which on a video that came 3 weeks ago, which is called the 12 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugars. Now if you see that these are the videos that actually came, and I was showing you these videos as they came in the previous videos so you can check exactly and see for yourself what the situation of the videos were in the past a couple of days ago. And as you can see, the videos are moving. Now the main thing over here, guys, that you need to understand is that I did not change the thumbnails, I did not change the descriptions, I did not touch the videos. I had let the videos simmer within the algorithm. And this is a very common mistake which is done by a lot of young individuals that have just started their YouTube channels, that do not understand what automation is about and how to actually do YouTube automation. And when they get themselves in this position and they get themselves in this situation where they put a video out and they don't get a lot of subscribers, they don't get a lot of views, they get disheartened and they think, something's gone wrong. We need to change the name of the channel. We need to change the logo of the channel. We need to change the videos. We need to change the thumbnails. We need to change the description, the tags, the SEOs. They actually ruin the channel and they mess with it so much that it just gets completely destroyed. The best thing that you can do for your channel is let it simmer. Do not share it on Facebook. Do not share it on WhatsApp. Do not put it out into the social media world. Let the YouTube algorithm do its work, let it simmer, and just consistently add videos onto your channels. Now guys, let's head over to the YouTube studio and I want to show you the dashboard. I want to show you exactly in a very clear and honest way what the situation is. We have 5,000 views, as you can see, which is our new achievement. We have 507 subscribers, and in the last 28 days we got 422 subscribers. We have 29,900 views and we have 1,800 watch hours. We need 4,000 to do monetization, which I feel is not that far away. Probably a couple of weeks or so we're going to reach monetization. So let's head over to analytics over here. Now in the analytics, which I want to show you guys, in the last 28 days you'll see that we have been adding videos on a consistent basis every single day, and our graph is only going up and more up. And if you see on the right side over here, in the last 48 hours we have 10,702 views. So basically at every single hour we have people that are sitting on the channel and they're watching these videos, which is very crucial. Now if I click on the actual watch time, you'll see that we have 1,800 hours and the watch time is only increasing. So every single day we're getting a lot of hours that are coming. On the 13th of April, which was actually 2 days ago, because the data, like I mentioned in the previous videos, gets 48 hours for it to get processed. So this is on the 13th of April, which is 372 hours that we got on a single day. We have 422 subscribers. So if you actually go and change the days, which I want to show you guys, and I click on 90 days, you'll be able to see that we had no views over here, as you can see, because we were not adding any videos. We had the channel available. We started the channel on 15th of January. So by March, we added 3 videos over here, and then we stopped and we did not add any videos. Then on a consistent basis, we were adding videos, and as you can see, we got results. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is the content. Now, the reason why we are looking at this particular niche is because I personally feel that there's multiple factors that we need to understand. And the first thing that we need to understand is that when we create content, it needs to be something that we actually develop on our own. And there is value to that particular information that we give. Now, there's so many niches that are available, such as compilation, where you get a couple of videos about cats and dogs or cars or trucks or anything like that. You get multiple videos that are available. You put them together, you do a little voice over it, and then you just post it on your YouTube channel. Now, in your head, you think, I'm just gonna do a little bit of video editing on it, and the work has already been done by someone. But YouTube, what it does is that it actually flags those kind of videos. So the chances of getting a copyright on it is really high, because you haven't actually done any work on it. You haven't created good content, engaging content that you actually own. You've used other people's contents to create a video. That's the first problem. The second problem is that you need to consistently create videos. And you need to upload videos on a consistent basis. And the third thing is you need to schedule videos for the future as well. Now, you're unable to do that, it's not going to work. And that's for that reason, my focus was on a health niche, because I personally feel that the content that we create is engaging. You give information, you help people with that information. So there's a social aspect to it as well as that it's good content for people to watch. So as you can see, we had 29,900 views. We had 470,300 impressions. Our impression click-through rate was actually 5.1, which is excellent. The average was 3 minutes and 40 seconds that were watched. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that we are actually getting our views from the browser features, meaning YouTube is actually recommending people to watch these particular videos, and then we're getting suggestions for other videos to come and watch these videos. Guys, this channel has been growing organically. There is no ads that is running on it. There is no inorganic methodologies that is being used. We are showing you a possibility for you to actually develop and scale and actually get your channel monetized in a couple of months, in a couple of weeks, by organic methods. So if you have any questions, you can always ask them in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Now, coming back to the video over here, the thing that I really want to show you guys and talk about today, which is the audience. Now, this niche, and this is a very interesting niche. Now, if I scroll down, that you'll be able to see that our watch time over here is coming around 6 p.m. People tend to watch it. This is very crucial, so you'll know what time we actually need to upload these particular videos. The second thing is that we're getting views from the US. 45.2% people from the United States actually watch our videos. Then we have the UK, then Canada, then India, then Australia. There's a lot of content that's available, and I personally feel that if there's a content that's available that is getting watched by people that are in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and places where they have a low CPM, and you put all that effort in, you're not going to make that much money. So you need to make content that is actually engaging. And the reason why you don't make money is not because of the content, is because the advertisers do not put that much emphasis in these particular countries. And obviously the conversion for the advertiser isn't very high. So the conversion for advertisers from countries from the West is a lot higher, so they actually pay a lot more money. The second thing is there are niches that I get a lot of questions for, like kids niche, and they say, kids are going to really watch these videos, and we're going to make the videos for kids, and we're going to get a lot of views on it. You might get views, but you're not going to get money. And the reason for that is exactly the reason I gave you, because there's no conversion on it. When kids watch it and they see an ad, they don't have the buying power to buy that product. But if the parents watch that ad, they have the actual buying power to buy those particular product. And that is the reason why the actual CPM on kids video is very low. So the niche might be good, but you're not going to get money for it. So when you actually select a niche, you need to understand the different dynamics of it. Who is the audience? What is the age group? Where they're going to actually watch it from? And I'm going to show you all the different elements that you need to keep an eye out for, and each element, what it represents in this video. So watch it till the end if you want to find out what those elements are. The third thing that I want to talk about is that as you can see, that the females that are watching these videos is very high. We have 60% females that watch these videos, and 39.7% are males that watch it. The age group that we have is 65 plus that watches 35.9%. 99%. So we actually have a very good age volume over here, and we have a good distribution of the age that actually watch these videos. Now, I'm going to go click on a very interesting element over here, which we haven't spoken about till now. And I want to show you the elements that you need to keep an eye out for. Now, if you click on the advanced mode, you'll see all these elements that are available on the top over here. Now, before I get into them, the thing I want to talk about is another niche. Now, this is a very interesting niche, and this is a niche that a lot of individuals feel is very amazing and you should go for. Now, the niche in itself, it's not that bad. It's fine. I can live with that niche. I can even recommend that niche to you. But what you do within those videos is very, very crucial. Now, the niche is motivation. Now, there's a lot of motivational speakers out there, and they have their voiceover available, and you take those voiceovers and you take those videos and you remove the video, you take the voice, and you actually make another video on top of it. What happens is that the content that you created is based on the information that's been given, and that is owned by the individual that has actually given that information. And there's a very high chance that you can actually get hit by a copyright, and that individual that owns that motivational speech can actually get the money from you, so you actually don't earn from that particular video, and your channel can face a lot of problems. You always want to make sure that the first channel that you create is in a niche that is safe, that is evergreen, that has retention, and that has growth. And it's for that reason, these are the elements that you should look out for. The traffic source. Now, the first thing is, where is the traffic coming from? Now, as you can see, we're getting the traffic from the browser feature. Now, if I click on the browser feature, you'll be able to see that the actual element that we get the videos is from home. Now, what is home? The home page or home screens includes both signed in and signed out viewers. So whenever someone actually opens their YouTube, they're able to see our video. If I scroll down, you'll be able to see the different places that we're actually getting our views from. The second thing is geography. Now, geography means which country we're getting the views from. We're getting it from the United States. We got 13,518 views from the United States, and we can even see the cities from which we actually get these views from. We're getting from New York 496, from London 417. We can even see the age groups. Now, as you can see, this is the age group, and these are the graphs that we see. So these are the elements that you need to keep in mind. So if you select the niche, the first question is, where is the traffic going to come from? The second is, what geography is the traffic going to come from? What cities are they going to come from? What age group are people going to watch? What gender is it for? What day is it going to come? What are the subscriber status that we're going to get it from? So these are the elements you need to keep in mind. You need to understand your audience. You need to understand your demographic. You need to understand who is going to enjoy your content, and if you can continuously create that content. Guys, it is a difficult process. It is a tedious process. It is going to take a lot of effort on your part to scale a channel, and that is the reason why I feel that there are not people out there that are helping and supporting young YouTube creators and giving them a chance to understand these particular elements. And that is the reason why I'm creating these videos, to give you an insight in organic growth and show you and talk about the niches and the methodologies by which you can actually scale your channels. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section down below. And if you haven't joined our Discord, guys, where we speak about what can be done and what can't be done in YouTube automation, and we talk about different tips and tricks. So go ahead and join that. The link is going to be in the description below as well. And guys, we can have an open and honest discussion over there. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.